Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. And yeah, what a recovery, huh? We had a nice pump from all the way from 31,000 all the way up to 39,900. And congratulations to everyone who followed me in my trade yesterday. We made some really good gains. I think a couple people took my trade, and I think we closed it off at 178% in profit. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Really good job. Good stuff, guys. And yeah, so let's just dive into some TA right now. And market cipher looks like we're trying to break above these EMA ribbons. They're starting to reverse a little. I don't know if you can see that right there, but we are definitely running into some resistance. And we could look here at the regular resistance boxes. Yep, so we went back down, found some support here. We came back up, and we ran into some resistance right here on this area. At the basically at the $40,000 area, we touched it, and then we're starting to come back down right now. It is possible that we go to retest the $30,000 levels. We are not out of the woods. It's not a guarantee that we go up straight up, right? I know I said in my past videos that I'm a strong believer in the stock to flow model, but that doesn't mean it's gonna hold true, right? It's everything is still theory at this point. So right now, I think that since we got rejected here, we could chop around these levels for a bit and then maybe come back down to test these levels to form a sort of W, kind of like what we formed right here. This was a beautiful W pattern right there. Where you break the neckline, you go up. And in this case, if we do this, the neckline would be around the $40,000 area. I would be looking to maybe placing a short, if anything, if it starts to show signs of weaknesses. If it does come back down and sets a higher low, then that would be really, really good. That means the bulls are starting to fight back and the bears are starting to get weak. And yeah, obviously we could see that there was a lot of manipulation. Look at all these manipulation X's, especially on the 12-hour, the 4-hour. Oh man, the 4-hour, 3 in a row. Look at that. The 2-hour, they were everywhere, right? So it was clear that there was heavy manipulation to push the price down. And it's funny too, because I don't know if you guys look at the news as well. Goldman Sachs and like other large financial institutions were starting to now recommend Bitcoin as an asset class to their wealthy clients. And on top of that, the other day, Ray Dalio came out and said he owned Bitcoin. What a coincidence that the price falls 50%, and then suddenly, oh yes, we're holding now, and then the price goes back up $10,000 or $9,000 in a day. So that just makes me laugh. So it's funny to look at that, and yeah, I think that if we can get, sorry, I just started to draw some lines right there, but I think that if we can get back above the 21 weekly EMA, it would be really good. But it is that we cannot discount the possibility of us going back up to test this as resistance, and we fail, and then we start to come back down again, right? Because that's always a possibility. So right here is like this is the golden goose. We got to get to this level, and right now we're starting to come back up. We can see that we broke this big downtrend. Wonderful breakout. We're gonna see. I thought it was gonna go back down and test this as support, but it looks like we're holding strong right now. Maybe sort of forming like a bull flag potentially, which it would be maybe a long in this case. But I think that we might go back up to test this as resistance again, and if we fail, then we're probably going to come back down. Yeah, and honestly, if we do break above these levels, then obviously the stock to flow model is going to be super accurate, and we're going to get a massive bounce from the outer blue line. If you watched my video yesterday, the catalyst or the stock to flow model analysis, and we're just gonna there's the case that we just blast through this like crazy. I think we would require some fundamental news, to be honest, but we could just chop around like this for a bit too. So, honestly, I think we are going to go to 100,000 this year. This is not financial advice. It's not a guarantee. This is just my personal opinion, right? I could be completely wrong, right? This is This is just my theory, right? Based on inflation numbers, the expansion of the money supply, and then like the non-stop relief packages. They're not slowing down. If anything, they're increasing them. They're printing like crazy amounts of money every day. So it's just super scary stuff when you do start to understand it and you start to look at it. It's so I'm just gonna stay out right now. I'm not in a trade at the moment. I did exit my position, took some profits. What's the point of having profits if you never realize them, right? If you watch we entered a position around this area, we wrote it maybe halfway up there, maybe to 12%, and then we exited, right? And then it kept going. Yes, it could, like, I missed out on some gains, but look at that. It started to come back down, and basically at the area where I exited. So it's never a mistake to realize your gains, guys. And I'm getting a lot of questions right now, like in the Discord. There's so many questions, like when are the hash ribbons going to indicate a buy signal? So this is a free indicator, guys. You can always go look at it on TradingView. You just go here, you type in hash ribbon indicators. I don't know where they are right now. Let's see, hash ribbons right there. It's just hash ribbons, and then that's your indicator right there for when it's a like historical good time to buy Bitcoin, right? This level, amazing gains, as we can see. Sorry, you can't really see it there. Let's zoom out a bit. Yeah, as we can see again, 240% gain. Amazing, just amazing. And we can see that the stock flow model, where we've taken a big dip. Are we going to recover? We could be looking at a 2013 scenario where we went down a significant amount. We went down over 60%, kind of like what happened here. And it chops around for a few months, but ultimately trends up, right? We could absolutely see something like this. We are in price discovery, and nothing is ever going to be the same. Like, it's never going to be the same. It's never going to be an exact copy. But we have chances that it's similar to something like that, right? I don't think this was the end of the bull market. Some people are saying it's the end, and I just really don't believe that with this amount of money printing. And if it's some people are still buying, so I don't think this is the end, guys, to be honest. And yeah, we could just see like gold, silver is up again today. I'll back up to almost $28. This gold's hitting the $1,900 resistance, and we got that weekly green dot confirmation that this was the bottom. And I purchased it around this area. I purchased my gold stocks around this area. I loaded up on this area, and so far I'm up 10% on my commodities. But obviously the miners, it's like a leverage to the commodity itself. So if you guys are into that, just let me know in the comments. I can make more videos about stocks and commodities, but this channel is basically about crypto. And yeah, I want to take a look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum, I'm so surprised that it's holding so strong right now, and the money flow is still green on the daily. As when we go look at the Bitcoin, it's a little bit red. I would be really, really bullish if this money flow starts to come back, and the VWAP is starting to come back as well. So that's really good. But I really like this is where I would enter along as well. If we get a weekly close above the 21 weekly EMA. So at the end of the week, right now we're right here. This is where we're at. We got ways to go, right? We are right there. We still have 17% to climb, or $13,000 if you want. Is it 13,000? No, it's $6,746 that we still have to go. So we still have time. We have 5 days and 6 hours left. It's only like the second day in the week, so we still have time. Nothing to stress about. Take time with your trades. And I see a lot of people asking, when's a good time to enter a trade? When's a good time to enter a trade? Just take your time. Patience is the key. When you rush into your trade, you're actually going to sustain more losses than if you were going to gain from them. Because as we can see, I just waited. I was patient. I waited. I maybe entered a few shorts here. Nothing big though. 10% of the challenge account. The challenge account is actually at $500 now. So we've made a 500% return on the challenge account by only using $100. So in terms of percentage gain, it's phenomenal. And you guys can achieve this too by patience and good risk management. I just waited for this position right here, entered it, and then boom, amazing gains. Anyways, guys, I don't want to make the video too long. You guys have a wonderful day. Use proper risk management. If you're looking to sign up with Bybit, the link's in the description. I love you guys. The support is amazing. We're at 250 subscribers, and yeah, join the Discord. We're going to make some wonderful trades with Ben, Drake, and Expert, everyone, all the moderators and everyone else. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.